Hey, good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jared Myers. I own Wasatch Bookkeeping, and this is Bookkeeping 101 you're watching. A quick explanation. I live in Provo, Utah, which is in the Rocky Mountains, if you didn't know. And the name of the specific range within the Rockies that I live in is called the Wasatch Range. I've got clients here in Provo and in other cities and even in other states. But anyway, that this is the range where I live and where the majority of my clients are located. So hopefully that's helpful. But again, this is Bookkeeping 101, where I help business owners and aspiring bookkeepers make sense of bookkeeping. I'm a bookkeeper. I'm a certified QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor, and I've got over 3 years of bookkeeping experience. So if you've got questions, let me know. I'll do what I can to try and help. If I don't know the answer, I know people who do know, and I know how to look things up. So yes, reach out to me, and let's see what we can do to get you the help that you need. If you could use some help with your bookkeeping, catch-ups, cleanups, regular bookkeeping, check out the links in the description below. And again, let's see what we can do to get you the help that you need. So today, we are going to be talking about QuickBooks Online and which specific QuickBooks Online plan is right for you. I know that some of you don't use QuickBooks. There are a bunch of different softwares out there that you could use, Xero, Wave, FreshBooks, Zoho Books, and so on. Um, but for me, I am using QuickBooks Online. It is my favorite of the softwares. It's one of the most popular, and I know that uh, some of you already use another software. You're not interested in converting. This video probably isn't for you then. But for those of you that are using QuickBooks Online, um, this hopefully this is helpful. I've been using it for a while, and I still think the software can be tricky. And I think deciding between which QuickBooks Online plan you use could be tricky. There are several different, what am I looking for? There's several different plans you can use. Um, and there are comparison charts. There are features, and I think something like 72 different features that they offer. And even with all those comparison charts, I still have people that are very confused as to which plan is best for them. So today I want to break those down and see if we can help you decide which plan is best for you. Um, if you are interested, you can go to quickbooks.intuit.com/pricing. Go there. You'll see what they charge for the different plans, and then there's a comparison chart where they give kind of a value build and show you what's offered in each of the different plans. You can scroll over each of the links, and it'll give a brief description of what the feature does. However, I've done this for each of the 72 features, and I still, even after doing that and using the software for a time, I still find some of the features confusing, or the descriptions confusing, or just not all that helpful. So here we are to try and help break that down today. Several different plans. They've got Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. Those are their four plans. Um, in short, in my opinion, Simple Start is for solopreneurs, side hustlers, those with super basic needs. Essentials is for small businesses or small service businesses. It gives you the option to use time tracking and bill pay. So if those are important to you, um, Essentials has those features. And then there's my favorite plan, which is QuickBooks Online Plus. This is for growing businesses or accountants that need things like class and location tracking, inventory, um, um, and job or project profitability. Um, Class tracking, a good explanation for that. If class tracking is for those who maybe have multiple projects going on, maybe you're a restaurant owner and you've got multiple locations, and you not only want to see if your restaurant is profitable, but uh, you want to break it down by restaurant and see if restaurant A is profitable and restaurant B is profitable, or if they're both profitable. But it can help with that to segment the projects. Um, and then there's advanced. Advanced is for larger or more complex businesses. Um, Fortune 500 companies. Maybe you've got multiple users. Um, I think advanced allows for up to something like 25 users. Um, Custom roles, advanced reporting, and like really advanced reporting. Um, and they've got some dedicated support and analytics tools, but um, usually plus is about what my clients need. Most of my clients are solopreneurs with no employees or maybe one employee, which is kind of rare, but usually solopreneurs. Um, Advanced would is really really advanced, but yeah, plus is my favorite. Again, you have to go with what's right for you, but with the QuickBooks plans, just to compare those, and I made a little comparison chart. I will let's see if I can screen share here so you can see the chart. Let's see here so you can see what I'm looking at. Okay, so with the and I'll go ahead and post this in the description below here when we're done. But you can see there's for simple start. Again, for very simple businesses, small businesses. Um, this is really for those that are trying to be tax compliant and not much else. These are 1099 contractors. Um, and I've done plenty of that work. I own a landscape company. Um, this is for those 1099 contractors. If you didn't know, these are people who are doing more than $600 worth of business for someone or for a company. Um, you can see it allows for receipt capture. If you've got the app for your phone, you can take pictures of receipts and you can capture the receipts that way, track your miles, so you can deduct those come tax time. Um, it allows for true double entry bookkeeping. So assets equal liabilities plus equity, right? Um, and what you do on one side of the equation affects the other side of the equation. So this allows for double entry bookkeeping. Um, let's see, and then just some basic reports. You can't do any time tracking. I've had some of my clients require time tracking, but you can't do any time tracking with Simple Start. Um, and you can't do any class tracking or location tracking or job costing. Um, it is the cheapest, but really it does only cover the bare minimum. The next plan is Essentials. It's best for businesses needing time tracking. Maybe you've got two or three users that need to use the account. Um, it includes all the same features as Simple Start. Um, but on the downside is it's almost twice the cost. You'll see that on the website. It's almost twice the cost of Simple Start. And really, you don't get a lot extra for double the cost, in my opinion, not the best value overall. Again, plus is what I recommend. It's what most of my clients use. Um, and again, my clients are solopreneurs, so it depends on the nature of your clients. But it's good for small businesses with moderate to complex needs. Really, it covers quite a bit. Again, it includes all the same features as Essentials. You can now track inventory. You can budget, and it offers some additional reporting. Probably for small businesses, it'll allow you to do or generate the reports that you need. Um, let's see, it allows for class and location tracking, job costing for some of these construction companies, and again for restaurants that maybe have multiple locations. Um, it is a higher cost than Simple Start, but really probably the best bang for your buck, especially as your business is growing. And again, let's see, with advanced QuickBooks Online Advanced, it's for larger, more complex businesses. Um, it includes all the features that Plus does. You get some advanced reporting and analytics, more automation. However, though, with the automation, which I know is this fancy, AI is this fancy new thing. Um, but I don't know how much of that is worth it. Automation. AI is still pretty young, and at least with QuickBooks, in my experience, my clients actually get into more trouble than it's worth with artificial intelligence. They try and set up some things to automate things. Um, and in short, when things work, it's awesome. When it doesn't work, it really messes up the books. It really gets it wrong. And anyway, I don't know that that's worth it for small businesses. Um, Let's see. And then again, it can scale as your business gets larger. But anyway, that is my recommendation. Plus, however, you've got to do what's right for your business. Um, uh, that is that's that for the comparison chart. Again, I'll put that link in the description. Um, a quick pro tip. If you're an accountant, um, you can get QuickBooks for free, QuickBooks Online for free. And if you want to do your own accounting for your accounting business, you can use QuickBooks Online. And then you also can use it for free to help with your clients. Um, for those of you that are just not interested in any of this, because it does cost money, the plans aren't cheap. I'm working on an Excel version of QuickBooks. Um, and I'm not sure what I'm going to charge, if anything, for that, but I'll let you know as that progresses. And for those of you that are interested in doing your accounting in Excel, because Excel can certainly handle it. Um, if you're interested in that, let me know, and let me see what I can do to get you a version of that. Could be a little bit tricky. Involves Visual Basic and macros, and that can be tricky to send online um, because it's programming, and there are people out there that use um, Visual Basic to wreak havoc on the internet. Um, but if you're interested in a free Excel version to do your bookkeeping, let me know and I'll see what I can do to get that to you. I've still got a few things to do to finish that up, but I'll make that available. Um, I think in short, in summary, what I would ask myself as I'm deciding between plans, basically, do you need class tracking? Is inventory important to you, tracking inventory? And do you need multiple users? Are you a service provider? Do you sell products or do you manage teams? Are you an accountant needing reporting features? And hope anyway, ask yourself those questions. Hopefully that helps you decide. Again, I'll leave the comparison chart in the link. Um, hopefully that helps clarify which QuickBooks plans make sense for you. Um, and again, if you really need to study it out more than that, go to their website, scroll or not scroll, but hover your mouse over the various features. Look at the pop-up window and see if that helps with the comparison chart there. That's it for today. Hopefully that's helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really does help. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comments section below. And next time we get together, we will get hands-on. I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your QuickBooks Online account step by step. And thanks again, and we'll see you in the next episode.